Moving ahead, the next category focuses on lighting design under the award title High-End Lighting Design Solutions, awarded for excellence in lighting design and installation in large, high-end venues incorporating complex lighting and control solutions. Founded in 2018 with the vision and determination to deliver lighting excellence across India and the world, they are renowned for providing turnkey solutions, having successfully completed more than 800 projects globally, including Suvarna Sodha's exterior lighting. The winning title is taken by Leksa Lighting Technologies Private Limited. And to collect this award, I would like to call Mr. Renaud Sylvain D'Souza, Founder and Executive Director, Leksa Lighting Technologies Limited, on stage. Mr. Renaud Sylvain D'Souza on stage.
I have never thought that from the existence of just 6 years of this company, I could get this award. Chopra ji ne apna opening note mein bola ki make in India. As I really strived to do this company, make in India, I have created this company in a village, giving employment for 300 plus employees, empowering the youth from the village in Mangalore. And I'm very glad and very thankful to Palm for honoring us, giving this award. It means a lot for us, a big way, a long way to go forward. Thank you so much. I thank my entire Leksa family who is back in the town, and thank you so much for the kind award. Thank you.
Yes.
I understand that your Leksa product is going out of India to many countries with your own design. Please tell us about that.
Today, we are manufacturing more than 400 varieties of products completely made in India with our own molds and dyes. And we are exporting we have done projects almost in 20 plus countries already. And this all happened in just 6.5 years. So once again, I thank my team, whoever is the backbone for supporting me and lifting me up. Thank you so much.